Mailbox Monday. Let's go. Hello there, ladies and germs. Alright, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new and you're returning, welcome back. Mailbox Monday, got a few little things. Don't have a whole lot. There's a couple little things in this box. There's still more stuff in the mail, but I'm tired of waiting. I need some stuff to do. So, I gotta get this crap out so I can do more things. That way I can make more videos. And that way you 14 people can watch more videos. So this is what I'm doing. So, we are gonna start, I don't remember what's in some of this. So, actually, we'll do this first. I accidentally opened this because I thought it was something else. I bought this on Facebook Marketplace. This is a, how the hell do I open this? Come on now. There we go. This is a Holmes Puller Stubby in the 2700 kV flavor. Not 100% sure what I'm going to put this in. I have a couple ideas. Dude had it, I'd say pretty cheap. So, I snagged it. I think it was $70 shipped, which these things are like $100 plus shipping normally. So, can't beat that really. So, that's that. Next we'll start with this guy, or gal. I'm not sure it's gender. I don't want to assume. You get canceled and all that stuff. Alright, so here we have, these are the JST plugs that I got off Amazon. They are just bare JST males and females. I needed some stuff to solder. Well, not I solder. I needed some stuff to have Doug and Jordan solder onto my Mamba Micros and Mamba X's and stuff like that to do some direct power servos. So now I have 10 sets. And then I also got some 240 grit sandpaper on a roll because I've been building some things with brazing and some tubes and some rod and things like that, and I needed a little bit of sandpaper action in between all my joints and things like that, so that way I could get everything all nice and clean and before I had it painted, or just to make sure that everything is kosher. I'll probably have some of it Cerakoted, but until then we will sandpaper it and then paint it. So that is those two things that I got from the Jungle website. Next, I also got from Amazon, but oddly enough got straight from the manufacturer from FedEx whenever they delivered it. Thought that was kind of odd. So this is another box. Look at that. Ooh, sweet ass. What? Now, see? That's a company I can get behind right there. You start giving me stickers, and you got a guy for life right here. That's what I'm talking about. What's going on my fridge? Alright. Now we'll try the skin. One more time. It's upside down? Okay, that's fine. It's upside down. Alright, so what I got was, technically, it's called a rod forming tool. It's basically a tubing bender. God, Jesus, that part's heavy. I had one of these, and I cannot find this part of it. So now, I have that part. Plus, I have two of all the dies. I have the handle, which is covered in stuff. I don't want on my hands right now. I'm getting ready. After this video, I'm going to bed. I don't want oily hands. Alright, and then I've got all the dies. Wow, that's a tiny little guy. And a bigger one, and then another one, things like that. So, got all the dies. Now, instead of using the hand bender that uses, now instead of using the little hand bender that's supposed to be for like brake line and things like that, I have an actual rod bender, which is conveniently what they used to call your mom in high school. But anyway, so now I have a rod bender, and I can actually bend a whole 180 and things like that. That little hand bender would only go to 60 some odd degrees, 70 degrees, something like that. So couldn't really get some of the shapes I needed to make for some of the things that I'm building. So that's what I got. Next. All right. This is from an online auction. Bought a couple things the other day. Alright. This I was pretty stoked about. Come on now. Because... There we go. I bought a straight VFD from a Ultra. He had parted out an Ultra and had this. It's had some use on it. You can kind of see the scratches and stuff, but it is what it is. It's another straight VFD. It has a slipper eliminator. And then since it's from an Ultra, it doesn't have any upgrade parts, and I believe it still has these centered gears. Spins freely. Doesn't sound too crazy. I'm probably going to take it apart and put some grease in there. It doesn't sound necessarily dry and disgusting, but I like to just grease the holy shit out of things. So, it looks good. This bearing looks good. It's got a little mark on the back. Front output looks pretty good. Doesn't look all rusty and nasty and things. It's clean in here. Well, it's not clean. It's dirty, but it's not like muddy, nasty, disgusting. So, looks like a good little unit. So now, what I also got, the last thing, I didn't even need these. I didn't even really want them. But when I looked them up pre-sale, oh no, I looked them up pre-sale because he puts up, you know, all the things that he's going to sell for the evening. I looked them up, saw about what they were worth, and then he threw up an opening bid of like $70. So I hit him. Anything after 90, you get free shipping. And then you also get this. What in the hell is this? Dolce Enchilado Sabor e Tamarindo. Oh, it's tamarind. I'm not sure exactly what this thing is. He always sends candy, but I don't know what in the hell this is. Spanish candy. I like tamarind, but if this is some of the candy he sent is not what I'm after. That's for sure. So that's cool. I got a sticker this time. That's what's up. And then what I actually bought were these, and they are missing a couple screws, but that's not a big deal. These are Champions, I believe. RC full drive Champions, or no, it's SSDs. Shitballs, I don't remember. Check these guys out. They are meant to look like the Evan Walkers. I believe these are SSDs. SSDs, right? Yeah, I think they're SSDs. Or RC full drives. Shit, it's late. I can't remember. Anyway, got these. These are the two fronts. Got the brass weights in them. They're pretty nice. They're missing a couple screws. The beadlock rings have a few little nicks on them and everything. These are the rears. The rears actually look a lot better. So this guy, whoever owned these, had a bad habit of driving into the rocks instead of over them. And then the rears just fall. What the hell was that? I don't know. Anyway, that's it. This is a tiny little Mailbox Monday. I didn't have a whole lot of stuff. I bought a whole lot of other things that you will see here in just a couple days. You do have a Wheel Wednesday coming your way. A big one. You make sure to set your clocks. Set your alarms. All that stuff. So, that is all. As usual, I would appreciate it if you liked, and if you commented, and if you subscribed. And if you want to, you can become a channel member, and you can see all these things as I'm doing them right now before the video comes out. You'll know what's going on. And if there's enough of you, I'll start actually making content that's specifically for just channel members. So that will be cool as well. So, that is all. You guys have a nice day. I appreciate you watching. I will see you later. Bye.